in the marketplace, opportunities cannot knock at your door if the people who bring those opportunities, if they can't see the confidence and the relevance that you portray. Like I always fondly say, money doesn't flow where fear leads, right? And that's one major challenge for many people in this generation. They have so much to offer, but fear is still leading them. And that becomes a big challenge. So you can be skilled, you can be gifted, and you can even be anointed, like we say in the church setting, right? You can be gifted, you can be skilled, you can even be anointed. But if no one knows you, no one will pay you. I always fondly say that no matter how talented you are, if no one knows you, you will die a talented poor person, right? So understanding this concept is very, very important. So when I lead coaching sessions, one-on-one or group coaching sessions with different people, I always notice that many people are still afraid, or sometimes afraid and ignorant, or afraid and inadequate to show up online the right way. And here's the funny thing, because I like to follow trends due to the work I do, due to the strategies and things I do. So I like to understand market movements and dynamics. And I'm sure if you are very observant, you must have noticed this also. Have you noticed that in this age and time, the loudest people or the loudest person in your industry is often perceived as the most competent? Have you noticed that? And also, funny enough, the loudest gets to make the most money most of the times in some industries. Have you noticed that? Why is that? Why is that? Because we are in the attention economy. So the people that have mastered the art of being loud, right, get to cash out. Why? Because when you're too loud and consistently loud, people get to perceive that as competence.